Alright, getting these hand warmers stuck down. These ones have a foam backing, so there's no need for cork. They just go straight onto the handlebars. Wrap that around and stick it on. Okay, now let's get this electrical connection pulled apart so we can hook up our new grip heaters. I'm going to start by removing this little piece. Get that out, flip it over. I'm going to pop the plastic off the back. The wires we're going for are these two orange ones in here. Get those out. I'm going to push them up. Give them a twist. And then they should just pop right out. This is definitely the hardest part about changing your cockpit setup on these. Very finicky. Okay, so we have our new grip heaters going in. So the best way to get them is to just push it back through the hole that it came out of. You can use a screwdriver to kind of guide it on through. Once you hear that little click, you know you're good to go. Once that's in, you just want to push this back up, close the bottom, and then you got your white piece we took off the top. Make sure everything's still where it needs to be. Plugs right back in.